Welcome to Analysis Prime University. My name is Michael Quinn, and I am a Senior Analytics Training Consultant with Analysis Prime University. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access the privacy filter on the Files page, create a new folder on the Files page, and move content into the newly created folder. From your home screen in your tenant, you can expand the navigation bar and then select Files. The privacy filter has three selections. The first one shown is Shared with Me. So this is a list of any files, stories, or folders that have been shared specifically with me. The second filter is Owned by Me. So this will show anything that I have created, whether it's a story or a folder, or a story or a folder for which I have been given full access rights. And finally, the third option is All Files, which will show everything associated with me. You can browse and organize your content in private or public folders, however it makes the most sense for you. What I want to focus on, though, is creating a new folder on the Files page. So I am on My Files, and I'm going to select the folder icon, choose New Folder, and I'm going to give it a name. If you would like to give it a description, you can give it a description as well. And press OK. You will see right here, the folder has been created. And if you want to move content into the newly created folder, you simply select whatever content it is, whether it's a folder or a story. So I'm going to select a story. And then I am going to go back up to the folder actions icon. And I'm going to select Move To. And in the Move Story to pop-up window, I'm going to select the new folder that I have created and select OK. So if you notice, that file is no longer sitting out here. If I go back to my home page and then click back into Files, and I look under the new folder that I created, you will see that the story is there. In this tutorial, we covered how to access the privacy filter on the Files page, how to create a new folder on the Files page, and finally, how to move content into the newly created folder. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, click the like button below. You can also view our growing catalog of self-paced courses, tutorials, webinars, and join the community forum by creating your free account at analysisprimeuniversity.com.